Catenation. The ability of an atom to form longest chains with its own atom is called catenation. Carbon has the ability to form longest chains containing large number of carbon atoms in molecules like protein. Carbon can form 4 single covalent bonds. Carbon atom forms 4 single covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms and gives methane. Carbon can form a double bond and 2 single covalent bonds. Carbon atom forms 1 double bond with another carbon atom and 2 single bonds with hydrogen atoms and it gives ethene. Carbon can form single covalent bond and a triple bond. Carbon atom forms 1 single bond with 1 hydrogen atom and 1 triple bond with another carbon atom and it gives ethyne. Carbon atom can form 2 double bonds. Carbon atom forms 2 double bonds with 2 methylene compounds and gives propyne. This ability of carbon to form bonds in so many ways made it as a versatile element in nature. Hence, carbon has ability to form largest number of compounds. Carbon has ability to show catenation. Carbon has ability to form various types of bonds, made it the versatile element.